is our body's defense against potentially harmful substances. It protects the body by recognizing and responding to the presence of antigens. Antigens are molecules which are recognized as foreign particles by the immune system. Anything from viruses and bacteria to non-living substances like chemicals and dust are considered as antigens. The body responds to antigens by producing an immune response, which is the production of antibodies specific to the antigen. An antibody's function is to immediately locate and eliminate the threat to our body, which is the antigen. A good way to remember an immune system is to regard the antigen as a criminal and the antibody as a police officer. In a common scenario, such as if a criminal had forcefully entered your house, you would immediately alert the police. Likewise, when an antigen enters your body, the immune system is alerted and automatically releases antibodies specific to that antigen. On the other hand, immune responses may also cause complications, which lead to being very harmful to the body. A good example of this is hemolytic disease of the newborn, which is abbreviated HDN. HDN is a disorder involving the Rh blood group. This disorder occurs when there is incompatibility between the blood types of the mother and the fetus. People who belong to the Rh group express D antigens on their red blood cells. The presence of the D antigen will not be tolerated by a body that has not previously come into contact with it. The disorder occurs when an Rh negative mother gives birth to an Rh positive baby. During pregnancy, there is transfusion of blood from mother to fetus via the placenta. The placenta connects the mother and the fetus to each other. Nutrients as well as the mother's antibodies regularly transfer across this placental boundary. During delivery, there is rupture to the placenta, which causes cross-transfusion of blood from the baby into the mother. The baby's blood contains D antigens on the red blood cell surface. When these cells enter the mother's circulation, her immune system recognizes it as a foreign body and produces antibodies to this antigen. An important feature of the immune system is that it has the ability to remember the antigens that it has fought in the past. In the event of this antigen appearing in the body again, the immune system will strike much faster and fiercely against it. As a result, the antigen that tries to attack the body a second time will most likely be wiped out before there is any symptoms of disease. When this happens, we say that the body has become immune. But the problem arises during the second and subsequent pregnancies, when the mother's blood containing D antibodies crosses the placental boundary into the baby's circulation. The D antibodies attack the D antigen present on the baby's red blood cells. They agglutinate and the D antigen gets destroyed. A byproduct of red blood cell destruction is bilirubin. Bilirubin is a yellow pigmented substance which deposits in the skin and eyes. Common term for this is jaundice. In severe cases, bilirubin can deposit in the brain of the baby, resulting in mental retardation or death. Fortunately, HDN is a very presentable disease. Because of the advances in prenatal care, nearly all women with Rh negative blood are identified early in pregnancy by blood testing. If a mother is Rh negative and has not been sensitized, she is usually given a drug called Rh immunoglobulin, also known as RhoGAM. This is a specially developed blood product that can prevent an Rh negative mother's antibodies from being able to react to the Rh positive cell of a baby. Many women are given RhoGAM around the 29th week of pregnancy. After the baby is born, a woman should receive a second dose of this drug within 72 hours. This prevention measure is possible by the advancement of technology in this day and age. It is absolutely important for one to take precautionary measures to ensure a fit and healthy lifestyle, but it all begins with taking care of your immune system.